Hi, this is Olivia. Welcome to my channel. It's been almost 3 weeks that we are in quarantine. So I was thinking of what to organize again. So I thought of organizing the cabinet at my back. Uh, those are full of party dresses or polos that have not been used or no plans of ever using them again. So let's declutter them and remove all the things that we don't use. We, not mine. This is not my cabinet. All of our clothes are put there. some of some of them are my husband's. They're all too big for him now because he's slimmer now. And of course, if it's my clothes, they're small already. I don't wear them anymore because it doesn't fit me. Or if it's my daughters, maybe it's not in style. It's not their style anymore. They were using it when they were much younger. Okay, let's declutter this cabinet. Come on, let's go. This is Olivia Ko. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the thumbs up sign if you like my videos. And don't forget the notification bell there, the notification bell, so you'll be updated on my future videos. Let's go. As you can see, yeah, it's assorted clothes. And there are books on top. The books are not mine, so I don't know if I can touch them. And these are the clothes. I'm going to bring all the clothes out. And the one in the white thing, that's the winter clothes. We don't use winter clothes in the Philippines, but when we go out of the country, those are the piles that we need to get. And the two drawers are maybe bed sheets and towels. And the upper one is, yeah, towels and bag. So we're gonna bring everything out and we'll go through it one by one. Come on, join me. The lower drawer is full of jackets too. And yeah, the jackets, winter coats, and towels. I will make a try on if those clothes still fits me or not. If it fits me, I can wear it. If not, I'm going to donate it or give it to somebody else. Okay, let's remove the hair like that. Yes, it still fits me. I think I need a mirror in front. Yeah. Oh, this one I gave it. My daughter wore this one before, but I haven't worn this yet. So where's this? Oh, it looks good. I think it still looks good on me. Annex. Okay. Let's try everything. Okay. Everything. I'll put the hanger on that side.
This long sleeves is size medium large. It's too big for me and it's not mine.
This one, I don't know what size this is. Maybe. Yes. Okay. This one. This one too. Yes. Maybe this are medium. Oh, it's large. Oh, this is mine. This is mine. Let's see if I can still wear this. It's masikip here, no? Like the other one. Oh, it doesn't close. Does it close? Yes, it doesn't close. It's the lady. And I think my daughter doesn't like it anymore. She doesn't wear it. So, okay, I'll give this out. And this one, oh, this one looks like small, so I'm going to keep it. Most of these are medium and large. If it's medium and large, my husband won't be able to fit them already because they're too large for them. He's slimmer now, so I think he only wears size small. So if it's medium and large, I will put it in the pile that will give it to somebody else. Oh, I have a lot of hanger now. Oh, this is small. Small. My husband can wear small. So these are new ata. So I put it back. And I think these are medium. So this one. And this one is small. I'll ask him if those. How about this one? Oh, this one din. Key. This one, I think this jacket is my daughter's. Pinka. Yeah, it's my daughter's. I think I can bring this. I can use this sometime. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I just have to know where it's put. Okay, let's put hanger on it. Okay, let's continue. I'm not so sure, but this looks small. Okay, I'll put it here and ask him later. Doesn't. Oh, a lot of maong here. I'll give it to my. He's not wearing it. He's not wearing it. Oh, dress. Okay, let's try on. If I still can wear this. Where's the? Oh, where? Where? Oh, is this mine? I don't know. What size is this? Looks. Is this mine? I don't know. I'm not going to wear this anymore, I think. This is my daughter's. I'm not so sure if she's going to wear. I'm going to ask her. Oh, this doesn't fit me. This is too small. Yeah, this is too small for me. Yes, it's too small. I'm gonna ask her. There are pants here. I'm gonna ask my sister if she likes men's pants, but he's not wearing them. This one, yes, this is mine, but I cannot wear this anymore. It's so small. Put it there. This one is a coat. Can I try this? It's yeah, it's too small for me, so no, it's not comfortable. So we give it. And this one, I think this is my daughter's. Yeah, it's so small then. She doesn't wear it. I don't like wedding. Don't keep it anymore. Oh, this one. Oh, it's ulit na. Oh, I don't like. This dress comes with this one. Yeah, the it yellowed already. Sayang. But I cannot wear it anymore. It's so small. Maybe I ask my daughter if she can wear it. And I have to remove this one. Or it's vintage. Maybe it looks vintage. Okay, I'm gonna ask my daughter if she wants. So in this hanger are all my daughter's older clothes. She's not planning to wear them anytime soon or anymore. So I'm gonna donate it now. This is my clothes. I'm gonna try it, but it looks so small. So I don't think I can fit on it anymore. Yeah, pan ba to? Yan mo, oh, saan ba papasok? Yes, this is so small, right? Oh, doesn't close na. Yay! This is my husband's polo. Oh, it's small, so he can wear it. And these are my old skirts. Oh, I cannot fit them. Oh, they're so small. That is when I was thin. This one, I like. I like. These are most of my. Oh, this dress doesn't fit me anymore. I'm going to donate it. And this dress is my daughter's. She's still wearing it, so I'm gonna keep it in the bag, in the gown bag, together with the other gown. I'm going to put all the jackets together in one hanger. So I'm going to put all the jackets together, and now I'm going to wipe this first, wipe it up, and put them all together so it would be easier for me to find them all in one place. This hanger, I can use it for pants, and I'm going to bring it together with these other jackets. And some of the dresses are already inside. So we'll continue with the polos. This one is too big. And these two, I think, are too big too. So I'm gonna donate them all. I just got one. These files are all mine. I will keep them. I can wear them. Yeah, I'm going to keep them. Okay, so I have cleaned out this cabinet, and I'm going to show you this one. I retain this bags to put our gowns, and these are some of the smaller polos that my husband is using. And these dresses are mine that I cannot let go of. So I can put some of my clothes from my other cabinet, transfer them here. So there's space now. And I'm going to show you the things that I have removed from this cabinet. Let's go. So these 3 bags are the things I have removed. These are the dresses. These are the pants, men pants, and these are some of the clothes. Yeah. And there are some polos then, but I put them in the washing machine already. I'm gonna wash them. They're so dirty. I'm gonna put it here. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you have inspiration to clean out your closets too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and click on the thumbs up sign if you like this video. And don't forget the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. See you next time. Bye!